So guys, this is how finally the cake turned out. It's very moist, soft and perfectly cooked. Please try out this recipe and do share your comments. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing the recipe of Oreo chocolate cake with just 5 ingredients. For this you need baking powder, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 packet of Oreo biscuit and half a cup of flour, which is maida, and around 50 ml of milk. So now, as you can see, I have just grinded off my Oreo along with my caster sugar and have got this very beautiful brown colored powder. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients and get the batter ready. As you can see, I have mixed my dry and wet ingredients in this container and blended it well so that it is free of lump and should not be of very thick and thin consistency, but something like this. Now I'll be transferring it into our baking bowl and we'll meet you soon. As you can see, I have transferred whole of my batter into my baking bowl and now I'll keep it into the cooker. So now I'll be preparing the setup for the baking. For this I have taken a cooker and in this I have put a bowl. For the lid I have removed its whistle and now I am going to preheat my cooker for 10 minutes. Now I have put it into the cooker and make sure that you balance it well on that bowl. Now we'll let it cook for almost 20 to 25 minutes and check after that. So guys, this is how finally the cake turned out. It's very moist, soft and perfectly cooked. Please try out this recipe and do share your comments. We'll meet again in next such short video. Mission accomplished.